How to find deleted photos on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can find deleted photos on iPhone. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to find deleted photos on iPhone, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Photos app here. Then you might just want to try to go ahead and then delete a specific photo or video in this case. So let's say this is the photo I want to delete. I'll just select that. I'll tap the trash option and then I'll just go to the delete photo option. Now what do I do in order to recover those? Well, to recover those, I just need to go to this albums tab that you can find here. Once you go to albums tab, you just want to scroll down and under the utility section, you'll find a section where it says recently deleted. So you want to make sure to just tap on recently deleted. Go ahead and then verify with your Face ID or authentication anything that you might have. Then under it, you'll be able to find all the photos and videos that you deleted in the past. And if you want to recover them, you can just tap the recover option to do so. If you'd like to delete them permanently, you can tap on the delete button. So depending upon what you want, you can just choose to recover or delete those photos or videos. This way you can find deleted photos on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.